Alright, cool. So what I have here is a gas tap, and methane gas comes out of this tap. And methane is a hydrocarbon composed of hydrogen and carbon. Now, combustion of methane is also known as burning. Now, during the combustion of methane gas, the fuel reacts with the oxygen in the air and it transfers heat and light into the surroundings. Okay, now when I open the collar of the Bunsen burner, we can see that the flame turns blue and it starts roaring. Now the reason why is because we're letting more oxygen into the Bunsen burner. Now this gives complete combustion and it produces carbon dioxide gas, and maximum heat energy and light is transferred to the surroundings. Right, so when I close the collar of the Bunsen burner, we can see that the flame turns from blue to yellow, and the reason why is because this is incomplete combustion. Now this means that there is an insufficient amount of oxygen being supplied to the methane gas, so the flame burns yellow.